Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to add payment method in Canva. So please watch the video till the end to follow all these steps. So the first step here that we're going to do is basically open your Canva on your browser and make sure that you signed in with your account. Now here on your dashboard, you want to click on your profile icon right there at the top right hand corner of your screen, and an option shows up here. And then you just need to click on the settings. Okay. Once you select on settings, you want to go here now on this page. And here over your mouse to the left side of your screen. And then here under the personal, you want to select this billing and plans. And then it will show up you this option. So payment method for your team. So basically I'm on a pro version. So if I'm going to change the payment method, as you can see here, to remove your payment option, cancel your subscriptions below. So you can click on add a payment method, or you can just click on this change button right from here. And as you can see, we have the Gcash, credit or debit card, and also PayPal. And here at the bottom it says this payment method will be available for our team members with purchasing right to use. So if you're going to select this credit or debit card, so basically just need to enter your card number, expiry date, security code, and your region. And also if you're going to select PayPal, just need to choose the country or region and also the Gcash, and just need to complete and fill up all the information. And once done, you just have to click on the save button right from here at the bottom. So that's it. That's how you basically add payment method in Canva. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.